A former Columbus police officer is facing a judge for the second time on charges of murder and manslaughter. Andrew Mitchell is charged with shooting and killing 23-year-old Donna Castleberry in August of 2018 during an undercover prostitution sting. Mitchell's first trial 1 year ago ended in a mistrial, and now with a whole new jury, both sides are back in the courtroom hoping to leave this time with a verdict. NBC4's Anna Hoffman was there to see the new jury and hear opening statements. Anna?
Jennifer, opening statements lasted about 45 minutes today. They were similar to what we heard last year. The prosecution is arguing that Castleberry's death was not justified, while the defense is saying that Mitchell's actions were reasonable. Almost exactly a year to the date, former Columbus police officer Andrew Mitchell is walking back into the courtroom to decide his fate. Mitchell is charged with murder and manslaughter in the death of 23-year-old Donna Castleberry.
And the judge will tell you, officers are forced to make split-second decisions in rapidly evolving situations. And we don't dispute that, but this was not a split-second decision.
The prosecution is bringing the jury back to August 23, 2018, when Mitchell shot and killed Castleberry during an undercover sting with the now disbanded Vice unit. Assistant prosecutor Cheryl Pritchard is arguing Mitchell's actions that day were rash and unjustified.
But as you will see, Donna was not an immediate threat.
While the defense, led by attorneys Mark Collins and Caitlin Stevens, says they want the jury to see Mitchell was in fact in danger.
While the struggle certainly did not last a split second, while it was not a split second that she went from cutting our client to choking our client, the decision to use deadly force, the evidence will show, was absolutely made in a split second.
The prosecution will present evidence from the audio recording revealing what led up to the deadly moment. The defense will bring witnesses to the stand to back up Mitchell's police instincts.
His decisions were based on the fact not that she presented an immediate threat, but that he'd been cut. This wasn't a legally justifiable use of force.
And we believe the evidence will show, ladies and gentlemen, that Andy Mitchell was justified in using deadly force, and that's because it was reasonable.
After 45 minutes of opening statements, the new jurors were off to see evidence and view the deadly scene. Today's courtroom was filled with family and friends on both sides, some of their emotions still as raw as if they were hearing the details for the first time. Testimony is set to pick back up tomorrow morning at 9. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Anna Hoffman, NBC4.